So the core courses, like for the programming, for the mathematics background and that stuff, it's given to all the student. Doesn't matter what is their specialization. That's what make them, all of them, qualified to work as a software engineer and software developer. This background enable the student to be ready to study or to go deep in the specialization. We have 8 courses. So the first 2 are into the introductory. Those are introductory to the specialization, but they are like higher level in the computer science general. We guarantee that the graduates from the year will be ready to start to work in this specialization. For example, graduates from data analytics can work right away as a data analyst. So many projects, we have a domain expert. They are connected to the industry. And also the graduates must complete at least one co-op, which work directly in a company. And more than that, we have the capstone, which like also require a domain expert to work with, or the thesis. That's all this like confirm that the student acquired or build all these skills for the companies. This kind of flexibility resonate and respond to the needs of the industry and the student to build their skills at the same time.